Today, we've got an exciting topic to dive into. Can Pancakeswap reach $100 in the next bull run? Alright, so let's rewind a bit. I was quite bullish on Cake during the previous bull run. I was looking for a DEX to invest in and decided on Pancakeswap over Uniswap for two major reasons. 1. The Binance Smart Chain was much faster and cheaper than Ethereum. 2. The high staking rewards on Cake were too tempting to pass up. I got in at $20 per Cake, but as the price dropped to $10, I thought, hey, this must be the bottom, right? Well, it turns out it wasn't. It dipped further down to $4, and I doubled down, locking my Cake away for a year, thinking it'd bounce back. But who could have guessed it would nosedive to $1? So, here's the deal. I've been holding onto my Cake tokens for over 2 years now, and it's decision time. Should I sell and diversify my portfolio, or should I hang tight and wait for the next bull run? This has been eating at me for a while, especially since most of my Cake will unlock soon. I've managed to accumulate a decent stash of Cake, but the problem is that its value has taken quite a hit. I originally locked it in when it was at $4.30, and now it's down to $1.16. Even if I doubled my Cake holdings, it might not be enough to cover my losses. So, the big question is Cake still worth holding onto? Despite the roller coaster ride, Pancakeswap still stands strong. Even though it's dropped from its all-time high of $40, it's holding the top spot among DEXs on the Binance Smart Chain. And here's why that matters. Pancakeswap started out on the Binance Smart Chain but has since expanded to 7 more networks. Right now, it's sitting pretty at number 3 in the DEX rankings. Pancakeswap boasts a formidable set of strengths. As the dominant player within Binance Smart Chain's DEX network, it stands as a true giant. Pancakeswap's support for an extensive range of tokens, including heavyweights like BTC, ETH, and XRP, underscores its versatility. They also offer several other tokens, such as Caka, on their farming platform. Their farming pools and staking have a high APR, which could entice new users to invest in their platform. Another noteworthy selling point is the sheer number of Cake holders in comparison to its primary rival, Uniswap. With a staggering 1,455,423 holders on the Binance Smart Chain alone, Pancakeswap's position appears rock solid. This contrasts significantly with Uniswap, which boasts 362,699 holders. The vast holder base underscores why I firmly believe that Pancakeswap is well poised for the impending bull run. Let's not overlook the fact that during the last bull run, Pancakeswap demonstrated its ability to rake in substantial revenue and fees. In May 2021, it reached its peak, amassing $323 million in fees and $66.22 million in revenue. When compared to Uniswap's peak fees of $251.9 million, Pancakeswap demonstrates significant potential to outperform Uniswap in the next bull run. While it's true that Pancakeswap's current fees and revenue witnessed a notable decline in August 2023, totaling $12.2 million and $3.2 million, respectively, it's essential to note that this drop aligns with the broader trend of declining fees experienced by most DEX platforms. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Pancakeswap has some hurdles to clear. The DEX space is crowded with fierce competition, including Uniswap and SushiSwap. Existing competitors could eat up Pancakeswap's current user base, since these protocols are also starting to integrate several networks into their DEXs. We could see new DEXs in the next bull run that could offer better features and attract users away from Pancakeswap. Another concern I have with Pancakeswap is the circulating supply of Cake tokens. With only 30.24% of the tokens currently circulating, there is a risk of a token dump in the near future. Cake prices could be hindered by token inflation. Although the Pancakeswap team has burned a huge amount of Cake tokens in the past, totaling 33.6 million Cake tokens as of August 2023, there are still more than 65% of Cake tokens that remain to be distributed. Another issue that I believe could stifle Cake's growth is the high staking returns. Those returns may lead to a large number of people dumping their Cakes once their stakes are unlocked. The high returns also inflate the tokens, limiting Cake price appreciation. There are far too many modifications to the platform. Things have changed a lot, with new features appearing and disappearing, as well as the introduction of token burns. And if you're a passive investor like me who just leaves my coin there, you might be surprised because they've upgraded certain farming pools from V2 to V3. If you leave your LP tokens on V2, you might be startled to learn that some of them haven't earned anything. It would have been ideal if the team had just transferred all of these LP tokens automatically. Another significant change that has turned me off from utilizing Pancakeswap is their after burning feature on their staked Cakes. If you do not either convert it to flexible staking or restake the token, your earned Cake will be burned. Fortunately, I was able to read this modification before my tokens were unlocked. Those who are unaware of this development will be startled to discover that locking their tokens was a pointless endeavor. I'm quite certain that these users who lost their rewards as a result of the afterburn would sell their cake and seek out alternative DEXs. Finally, legal issues and security concerns are common in the decentralized exchange area, which might hamper Pancakeswap's growth and adoption. As a result, it is critical for Pancakeswap to continuously develop and differentiate itself in order to stay ahead of the competition and overcome any potential impediments in order to retain and attract new customers. So, where does that leave me and my cake tokens? It's a difficult decision. I really want to keep my cake, but I doubt it will reach $100. To accomplish this feat, Cake will need to surpass Uniswap's all-time high market valuation and triple its all-time high market cap. With the low circulating supply and various changes that could drive existing users away, I believe hitting $100 will be difficult. However, because Pancakeswap is still the largest DEX on the Binance Smart Chain, Cake has a good chance of returning to its all-time high market cap. If Cake's market capitalization returned to its all-time high, its price would approach $31.06. This will be 26.55 times its current price. I'll most likely hold my cake until the next bull run, but I won't be adding to my current holdings. That concludes today's video. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more great crypto analysis. Also, please share your ideas in the comments section below. What are your thoughts about Cake's future? Until next time, stay curious, and thank you for watching.